Egypt was one of 11 guest countries at the first edition of the China International Import Expo in Shanghai. Egyptian Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouly attended the expo along with officials and businessmen aiming to market their products to the Chinese and international markets. CGTN's Yasser Hakim looks at the reaction to the expo from Cairo.
The CIIE has been seen as an important opportunity to boost Egypt's exports. Egypt's Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouly headed the delegation and ensured Egypt had a significant presence at the exhibition.
The Egyptian pavilion was impressive. There was the national section, which included government agencies like the Ministries of Investment, Tourism and Suez Canal Authority. Then the companies section, which had 26 companies all in the agricultural sector and one in medical plants. There was a lot of traffic and activities at the Egyptian pavilion.
Deals signed were in the range of $300 million, mainly in agricultural products. Shuhrat Arif, who was at the expo, says the CIIE has exceeded expectations.
Egypt was chosen as the only guest of honor from the Middle East, which reflects the strong ties between both countries lately. It was a success. Deals were signed to export grapes, oranges, tangerine and potatoes. Chinese companies are also studying opportunities for importing dates as well.
Bilateral trade stands at $12 billion, but 11 billion of them are Chinese exports to Egypt. The floating of the Egyptian pound recently, however, has reduced the price of Egyptian goods, making it more competitive. Cairo hopes it can build on the success of the CIIE to increase exports further and balance its trade with China in the future. Most of the deals signed at the CIIE are in agriculture. Analysts say for Egypt to increase its trade volume with China, it needs to diversify its exports. The chemicals industry is one sector that has potential in the Chinese market. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.